Good morning everybody. I'm doing another job I'm not even closely qualified to do, and that's the front diff. So I got myself from Amazon $60 a new Diff Dana 60 with the drain plug, the front cover. There's no vanes in there for extra cooling or circulation. It's just a bare bones cover. I wanted to see how it went on there. It does improve the amount of fluid you can have, so you can have an extra quart in there to cool it. So we're going to take that off. It's 15mm bolts. I came with a gasket. I got a different gasket. It's a little bit more substantial right there. The kit does come with hardware, so it comes with the drain plug and it comes with hex bolts as well. And then I got some and then this also takes $75.90 on the oil. So I'm gonna get to it, see how it goes. Here's the tag that goes on the diff. Tells you what kind of differential it is and what size. So you want to count how many holes there are when you're doing the diff. So I got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So there's 10 on here. There it is. Doesn't look too bad. I've never taken one off before, so we're going to see what it looks like underneath. No magnet. No build-up. That's good. A lot of RTV. Somebody put a lot on. So we are going to have to clean that gasket surface up. Gears look good. Alright, got my new Loctite. Alright, I just got it loosely put on, screws in with the Loctite, put the tag back on as well, right here. So now I'm just going to tighten these up to torque specifications, and then we can fill it. Valvoline Advanced Gear Oil 75 W90 full synthetic. Okay, and it goes right there, and what we're looking for is it to start dripping. It's the wrong way around. That's what that was.
There's a little shower under there.
In, out. Okay. Look what this pump did. Sucked it dry. I just poked it with the top.
Let me get a seal because it's also grease.
And then I put it in. There's 2 down. Took all of it. Question is, am I going to need to get more? Okay, that's too much. Well, that's full. It was almost all 4 quarts. Alright, just going to tighten that nut up now, and we're done.